welcome back to part 2 of our living room makeover. I painted the walls yesterday or the day before, so I'll pop a little clip of that in here. One thing about Lick is it's got such good coverage, and 2.5 litres, which is the same size as that tub, goes so far. Baby, come down, going downtown. Waiting for too long. And just to give you an update now, so I was crying last night because I hated this so much, so I popped a little poll on my Instagram and said brick or plaster. Brick has won by far, but it has caused a few people to pop into my DMs and give us some advice. So my plumber said to get this acid wash for the chimney breast, so that's what we're going to do now. We're going to try and acid wash the chimney breast to see if it can come up any nicer, because we have like scrubbed, gone through about 1 million sponges and nothing's worked. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Okay, so I had a massive fit and I said, I am not doing this any longer. Like, I would actually rather cook than clean those bricks, and that's saying something. But this is how it's been looking so far. So Alex, I left him to it. It definitely looks a lot better. It looks like he focused a lot on the centre bits, but that's where the telly's going. So yeah, we're going to try and focus on the bottom half now. See, I'm pointing it here. And yeah, hopefully it'll look a lot better. We've got to put concrete down, so I'll be doing that. And fingers crossed it will look good. Saturday. This was the deadline for the whole project. I'd say, like, okay, we're really far off from being finished, but we've done a decent amount. So Alex acid washed this yesterday. I did like this section here and then I said, sorry, but I'm not doing this. And it definitely looks a lot better. And then I put concrete down just to cover the ash, so that the dog doesn't bloody get in there again. And yeah, I mean, it's not finished, obviously. We're gonna get Coven to go up here to hide those dodgy bricks up there. We're gonna obviously tile here, tile there. I really want to get a wood burner. I think that would just look so much nicer in here and just give it a little bit of modernization, I think, rather than have an open fire. But whatever, I got some convincing to do. The floor is absolutely FUCK'd, so I'm gonna try and sort it out today. I'm gonna get the hand sander out and get on my hands and knees and see how it goes. But yeah, so we actually kind of did meet the deadline, I suppose. Like, the deadline was to get the TV on the wall. Here is the 65-inch television. Yeah, it seems a lot bigger in here. We've changed the placement of the sofa. We're gonna get a new sofa eventually, so we'll just have like a 3-seater there, maybe like a chair over there. We hit the target. But anyway, this is part 2 of the video. We've got so much more to do, so I think I'm just gonna continue the living room vlog and just make it ongoing until the living room is like, you know, done. Dun 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 dun. Okay guys, so we are in a new week. It is Monday morning and I am just quickly updating you. Last night I filled in the picture rails on this wall, but this is just a warning of the commencement of part 3. So yeah, we've got so much more to do. Hello, Cutie. Hello. Hello. Okay guys, so that is the end of our living room makeover part 2. There's definitely going to be a part 3, part 4, maybe even part 5, because we've got a lot to do still. So we still need to finish this wall. We still need to finish the wall with the bay window. Excuse that at the moment. We're just doing that wall at the moment, so that's why there aren't any curtains there. And then obviously we still need to do the stairs and the new hallway over there. So yeah, really happy with how it's looking so far. Even though I didn't like the brick, I do actually think it looks quite nice in here at the moment. So just wanted to say thank you so much for watching and sticking with me this far. If you want to see more, then please subscribe. It really helps me know if you're enjoying these videos or not. And yeah, because if you're not, won't bother doing episode 3, 4 and 5. But yeah, so we're gonna start on episode 3 now. So yeah, I shall catch you in the next video. The next video probably won't be number 3, it'll be something else, but yeah, I shall see you soon.